Hi everyone, let's do a spring shaker mix today because I have a spring swap coming up and I thought it would be nice to make some spring sequins. So I got a lot of things here that people have given me and I think these colors would go great. Like there's carrots in this one. Just pretty spring colors. That's so pretty. So pretty. And then we got this mix, which I think would also look nice in it. Let's put that in there. I got some seed beads. These are like a, let's see if it has the color on it. Metallic pink. It's a little different than what you're seeing on screen. We'll throw some of those in there. What else? I got some spring mix from last year I made that has some bunnies. Right there you see the bunny face, and there's some feetsies, bunny feetsies in there. Let's throw this in. And I got these from Michael's, I think a couple of years ago. Let's throw these in. Some of these. There we go. Oh, wow. Well, those went everywhere. That's what these look like. Let's throw in some of these. Oh, my. Well, see. Let's see what we have. Let's get a spoon. Where is my spoon? Where's my spoon? I always have a spoon. Apparently not today. It's kind of... I love these. I don't have these in my own stash. I love those. I think that's a pretty spring mix. It's got a little bit of everything in it. Let me see what else I can add. Oh yeah, I got my pens. These are all done with. Let's add these. Can't forget that. So we got pink. I had these before. They came right off. What's up with that? Let's see if I can break the top. Why does that not come out? It was so easy in the other pen. Look at that mess. Let me see. There we go. Let's put these in there. And we got blue. See, these will come out really easily. These are the ones I've had before. Yeah, so I use these at work, and then when I'm done with them, when the ink's gone, I just use these for shakers. I've said that before, but to any of my new subbies, in case you didn't know, that's what I do. And then we got this pretty purple one. So let's take those out. What is pulling? Oh, all right. Sorry about that. My wire's pulling. Okay. Look at that purple. Isn't that pretty? I think that's looking pretty good. See if you can see up close. Yeah, I think that's looking pretty good. I think I'm pretty much done with this spring mix. So this is going to go first swap that I'm doing. Actually, you know what? I think it could use a little bit more, just a little bit more yellow. Yeah, I think a little bit of yellow would be nice. Not too much. Let's see. I don't know how those got in there. Some pastel Easter sequins got in there. I should just say pastel. All right, let's see. I think that brightened up a little bit. I don't like yellow. I think yellow, I would need like a very pale yellow. A pale light yellow, I think, is pretty. But even though I don't like yellow, I think it needed a little bit of yellow in here. And I think that brightened it up. That's exactly what it needed. And I am happy with that result. See, just a little bit to brighten it up. So I am going to package that up. And then when my partner gets her stuff, I will make a video on what I made for her, other than this spring sequins mix. So I'm done for tonight. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.